Students. Today we continue our second chapter, migration, and today we discuss a next topic of this chapter, that is causes of migration. And this question comes under 3 marks. So people basically they are emotionally attached with the place of birth, but million of people they leave their place of birth or residence for good job opportunities, for good socio-economic status, and for education also. So there are number of reasons. So we put these reasons into a two categories. First one is push factor. The region these cause people to leave their place of residence, means in this the people there are some reasons for which people leave their place of their residence or place of their birth. And second is pull factor, means which attract the people from different places. For example, in Punjab today's trend, the students basically they leave their place of birth for good education and for good job opportunities, and now they are settled in a abroad. So here the and the abroad they play the role of pull factor, means it the good education, good job opportunities, then good economic status, they attract the students of the Punjab state. So these two are the main factors or categories which are responsible for the migration. First one is push factor and second one is pull factor. In India, people migrate from rural to urban areas. In India, why people migrate from rural areas to urban areas? Because in rural areas there is a poverty, high population pressure on the land, lack of basic infrastructural facilities, like there is a no proper healthcare facilities in rural areas, no education was there, no proper sanitation facilities are there. So and there are some other factors like natural disasters, they are also responsible for the movement of people, responsible for the people to leave their place of residence or origin. So these natural disasters are flood, droughts, cyclonic storms, then earthquakes, then tsunami, war, local conflict. So they also push to migrate. On the other hand, pull factors they attract the people from rural area to the cities. The most important pull factor for the majority of rural migrant to urban area is, in urban areas rural migrants they got a good best opportunities, then regularly they got a job, work, and they also got a good wages, then better education, better health facilities, sources of and there are number of sources of entertainment in urban areas. So that's why these are the important pull factors which attract the migrants. So here this question, pull factor or push factor, that comes under 3 marks. So the next point under this, on the basis there is a one figure here. Uh, it's a data of male migrants or female migrants. So we can see here most of the male migrants, they 36% male migrants they migrate for the work or for the employment. But the scenario is just opposite in the female diagram. See here, the most of the females they migrate after their marriage. So go through this table carefully. So we examine the regions of migration for the male and female separately. In those these two pie diagrams, we discuss the why what are the regions for the migration of males and females? So on the basis of the figure, it is seen that region of migration of males and females are different. For example, work and employment, they are the main cause for male migration. 38% males, they'll migrate for work or for employment, while only 3% of females, they'll migrate for work or employment. But on the other hand, 65% of females, they move out from their parental house following their marriage. Means the female 65% of females, they'll migrate after their marriage. So this is the most important cause of rural areas of India. Means in mostly rural areas in India, the females, they'll migrate after their marriage. But in Meghalaya, the scenario is just reverse. In comparison to these marriage migration of male and the male, they are migrated after their marriage, their percentage is only 2%. So that one is your causes of migration. So next topic under this is consequences of migration. This question comes under separately. They'll ask you this question, explain economic consequences, social consequences, demographic consequences. But sometimes they'll ask you this question combinedly. So this question comes under 3 or 5 marks. So we know that migration is responsible for the uneven distribution of opportunities over space. People, they'll move from low opportunity area to high opportunity area. People from low safety region to high safety region. So in turn of that, both creates, means migration creates a benefits also and problems also. So there are consequences can be observed in economic, at the economic level, social, cultural, political, and demographic terms. So one by one we discuss all these. So the first one is economic consequences. A major benefit for the source region is the remittance sent by the migrants. Means main benefit of migration is that the migrants, they'll send a money. So remittance from the international migrants are one of the major source of foreign exchange, and the money which is sent by the international migrants, so they are the most important source of foreign exchange. Means foreign money, it came into an India in the form of remittance. In 2002, India received $11 billion in the form of remittance from the international migrants, and this remittance, this money came in the states in Punjab, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu from the international migrants. The amount of remittance sent by the internal migrant is very much as compared to the international migrants. The amount which is sent by the national migrants, internal migrants, that is very low as compared to the money which is sent by the international migrants. But it play an important role in the growth of economy of the source area. Basically, the money which is sent by the migrants, that is used for food, repayment of debts, then treatment, marriages, child education, agricultural inputs, construction of houses. For thousands of the poor villages of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, here the workers, they send there's the remittance, the money which is sent by the worker is very low, but it is sufficient for their family. The second one is migration from rural area to eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha to rural areas. Second region of this migration is the Green Revolution, means the migrants from the